What precautions are to be taken in blasting method? Let us see the precautions taken during blasting process. First, a detailed three-dimensional survey of the quarry face should be done. The survey will show if there are any bulges or hollows in the face. Time of blasting. Blasting should not be carried on late evening or early morning hours. Sirens should be blown to warn nearby public. Danger zone barricading and markings should be done. First aid should be made available. Number of charges fired. Number of charges exploded. And number of misfires should be recorded. Explosives should be stored and handled carefully. Detonators and explosives should not be kept together. Cartridges should be handled with rubber or polythene gloves. Maximum 10 bore holes should be exploded at a time, and that too successively and not simultaneously. Thus, safe practices are very important for safe blasting operations. The related term is